Niche Profit Fast Track is a 60-day live training program, where we'll be training students on how to create and launch their own profitable passive income website. What sets this program apart from our prior programs is the level of hands-on training and coaching we'll be offering. At the beginning of the program, students will be provided with a selection of 12 high-quality ready-made niche businesses, each of which contain all the content needed to launch a profitable passive income website. They will have the option of building their site, using one of the ready-made businesses, or choosing their own niche, and building their site from scratch. We'll then kick off a live, 60-day training bootcamp where we'll guide students step-by-step through the process of launching their website, building their organic traffic, and monetizing their website. We'll be guaranteeing our students that if they implement the steps in the program, they will have a profitable website up and running within a few months. Any student who has followed the steps, and is for some reason not seeing results, will be paired up with one of our mentors who will work with the student personally, until their site is profitable. We think this success guarantee will be a huge draw for customers during the launch. The Niche Profit Fast Track program doesn't conclude at the end of 60 days. For a full year from the start of the program, students will be able to unlock a new niche business each month, and continue to take advantage of the coaching available in the private forum. We'll also continue to host live Q&A and hot seat sessions every single week. With the full 12 months of training and coaching, we can help students launch not just one, but multiple niche websites, and fully scale those sites to their maximum earning potential. Join now. You will also be offering to join our Niche Profit Inner Circle inside the member area. This is a private training and coaching program that we've been running for several years, and has been a huge hit with customers. It features a video training course, a Facebook coaching group, and bi-monthly training webinars where we continuously share valuable profit-enhancing information.